It's Matthew again, and today is the 13th of October 2025. So here we're going to be trading the VA market index, touch no touch, and we're on the trader interface. I'm in dark mode. You can change your dim if you want to. So once you log into your trading account, you go to VA market index, go to the trader VA market index, then go to the indicator here. Under the momentum, you're going to click on the MACD indicator right there. So once you click on it, you're going to see right here. So we spot the signal here, the green. You can see the green here and the green bar. That's why I click on that trade. I'm going to show you how this works. I click on touch. You have to click on touch. So there has to be green right on top, not below, and it has to be going right up before you click on touch right there. So there's a trade ongoing there. There's a time count, but we're going to win the trade regardless the movement. So go to the trade type, go to touch no touch, click on touch no touch, then set the, we already won that trade right there, 2.66. So we have to wait again for the green to be on top. You can see the green is below the line. It has to be on top, and this has to be going right up before you click on touch. The green has to be on top, and this has to be going up. You can see the spot I placed that trade there is going up, but this green is below, so you have to wait for the green to be on top. The green is now on top and it's going up. It's down. You have to wait for this to go up, and this has to be green, not red. Okay, so I placed another trade right there. You can see it was green when I placed the trade. So once you set this to 6 minutes, then set the barrier offset to minus 0.5133. Minus 0.5133. So we're going to be clicking on touch. Once you spot the green right on top, it can be 2 bar, 3 bar, and this has to be going up as well, and the green has to be right on top before you click on touch. So make sure you set your time count, set the barrier, and enter the amount you want to stake, and wait for the green bar to be on top, and this has to be going right up. So let's wait. We can actually say right there, but we're going to win. We want that trade, so we're going to trade again after this timeout. So for those who haven't, there's a buy sell indicator right there. For those who haven't gotten it, we're still giving it away for free. There are some trades ongoing. Some are red, some are blue, but it's going to be blue regardless because I'm online, I'm watching. We're still giving away this indicator for free. For those who want this indicator, we're giving it away for free. All you have to do is to follow the instructions in the video description on YouTube right here. Follow the instruction, sign up for a free trading account here using this link. Check the video description on YouTube. So once you sign up for a free trading account, subscribe to our channels. The links will be there in the video description. Subscribe to all the 3 channels right here. Subscribe to them, and send an email to this email address with the subject free indicator. Once you confirm your account sign up, make sure you add your last 3 digits of your account. Once you confirm your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you for free. And for those who already have a trading account, you can order the indicator here for $12. And for Toscaper bot and Pip Stripper bot, they're still effective. And Toscaper is 9.99 USD, Pip Stripper is 7.99 USD. We're also giving away free books and some free bots when you order any of our bots. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So to order the Pip Stripper bot, there's a link right here. Check the video description on YouTube. And to order the Toscaper bot, there's a link right there. And don't forget, for those who don't have a trading account, use this link to sign up for a free trading account to test all these strategies on demo before you go live. Here are the links to subscribe to our YouTube channels. We have 3 channels. Subscribe to it. We have other channels, but these 3 channels focus on Forex, binary, crypto, and all that. So subscribe to all this channel. There are other infos here as well that might be useful. Check the video description on YouTube. So we're going to trade again. It's up, and it's green bar is red. Let's wait for the green bar, and let's wait for this to go right up. It's red, and this is right below. It has, the green has to be on top. You can see the line. It's a little thin, but you have to spot the line. the green bar has to be on top, and this has to be going up. You can see the green is right below. It's the red bar. So the green is right on top. So you can see it's going up and the green is right on top. So I place that trade. It's going to be our last trade. We already won that trade just within few seconds. So we've been testing this strategy for a while now, and it's 100% guaranteed. So you can use it to make a lot of money. So I'm going to see you guys next time. If you want us to, we can actually test it with huge amounts. So for you to see that this strategy is 100% guaranteed. So the green is right. Let's wait for the green bar. It's pushing right up. The green is on top. Green is on top, so we click that trade. Green is on top, so let's wait for that. That's going to be our last trade. We're actually trying it with huge amounts. So that's it, guys. You can see right there 26 point something right there, 26 point something. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.